For 2021, with the Scorpion brand continuing to sting by inaugurating the new 595 range, the icon of the brand that, as the history tells us, perfectly embodies the brand's two souls, performance and style. The four versions of the refreshed range, 595, Turismo, Competizione, and Esseesse, come alive with new colors, fine materials, new style details, advanced technology, and great customization to underline the nuance of the Abarth character. The new Abarth 595 range is equipped with the 1.4 T-Jet engine, the same one on which the Italian and German Formula 4 cars are based on. The engine is available in three output levels. The Abarth 595 runs at 145 horsepower, rising to 165 on the Turismo version, while the 595 Competizione and the 595 SS at 180 horsepower are the ideal cars for those seeking the adrenaline of the racing world, both in terms of performance and technical content. The Competizione and the SS are also equipped with the Garrett GT1446 turbine, mechanical self-locking differential which improves traction under difficult grip conditions and uneven terrain, Koni FSD shock absorbers on both axles, and Brembo brakes with fixed aluminum calipers. All variants of the 1.4 T-Jet engine are paired with mechanical transmission, but can be fitted on request with an Abarth robotized sequential transmission with shift paddles.